Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will answer the question why does your EDIFIER HECATE GX07 is not charging. Firstly, you need to check is you have, especially if you buy new earbud, is you have headphones foil at the charging contacts, and remove this foil. Also check it at the charging case. Next, I recommend it to clean charging contacts at your earbuds and at the charging case. At this channel we have video how to clean your earbuds, so if you don't know how, you can check this video. But shortly you need to apply isopropyl alcohol at the charging contacts and then clean it with a brush. Also, I recommend it to check your charging cable and also adapter, so try to change it to the new one, and check the charging port. Is everything okay with the port? And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!